what's up people? Welcome to SewAddicts. On today's episode, we are learning how to taper our jeans, pants, slacks, anything basically that you put your two legs into separately. Yeah. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to taper your pants. So let me just play out a scenario for you guys. If you have any flare, bootcut jeans or pants laying around and you're kind of looking at it like, this isn't trending anymore, I don't like the way this looks, I don't know what to do, you could definitely use this method. Yay! You could definitely use this method to taper those flare jeans that you don't like anymore and make them into something that's a little bit more trendy and pretty much the now. This video shows you how to do that so you can adjust anything you want. And I will say you might not want to take off too many inches. I will say this method is probably for about 5 to 6 inches off, which is quite a lot. If you're taking off more than that, you probably shouldn't have bought those pants in the first place, you know? Or you probably should just get rid of it and buy a new pair. Yeah. Anyway, this method is super beginner basic. Anybody can use this method to taper their pants or slim fit their pants as long as you have something to sew with. Yeah, that's all you pretty much need. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And oh, one more thing, at the end of this video, I am going to be announcing the 3 awesome winners. They won the SewAddicts giveaway. Yes, yes, yes. This happened 2 weeks ago. If you missed it, too bad. If you got into it, yay. I randomly picked all the winners for the giveaway, and I'm going to be announcing it at the end of this video. So you might want to stay tuned because it's pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super excited to tell. I'm super excited for you guys to get the prizes as well. I hope you guys enjoy. But if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I super love having you here, if you can't tell already. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit down that subscribe button so you can see more awesome videos from me. And let's just get started with a tutorial. So to get started, we are going to grab our pants, and as you guys can see, I do have my pants pinned already, showing you how much I'm taking in on both sides of my pant leg. So you want to measure this basically before you start altering, just to know how much you really want to take in on both sides. So now we're going to grab our chalk, and as you guys can see, I'm basically just tracing my markings where the pins are inside my pants so I could trace that when I turn my pants inside out. So I'm just marking all those points where the pins are, showing how much I'm going to be taking in on both sides. And you just want to take those pins out just like I've done here. And as you guys can see, I'm turning that inside out, and voila, I have all these marks inside showing me how much I'm supposed to take in on both sides and how far up I'm actually supposed to go. Then we're going to take off our top stitching thread from our hemline. Now, this is more so a professional method in doing this, and trust me, it looks so much better when it's done. You're pretty much able to taper your pants all the way to the bottom. Now that we have our hemline removed, you pretty much just want to lay your pants nice and flat, making sure that nothing is bubbling or puckering, and then we're going to grab a ruler. Now the main idea here is to join the lines together, and you want to create a straight slanted line. So I just went ahead and actually confirmed my inches that I'm taking in, and I'm taking in on that side about 1 inch. Now you basically want to join the line from a 0 point, which is the top right there, all the way to the bottom. Now this could be different for everybody depending on how much you're actually going to take in or how far up you're going. Yours could be a little longer, yours could be a little shorter. Now when you've done that side, the next side, which is our inseam, usually has about a different top stitching seam in the middle. Now we're going to be taking off one of these seams. You want to take off the one facing the actual seam. So this is actually a chain stitch, so you just want to use your seam ripper, put a hole in there, and basically just remove the stitch. It's super easy to remove and it takes no time at all. So now that we're able to remove that, you just want to open that up really nicely, as you guys can see here. And we're pretty much going to be repeating the same step that we did from that other side for this side as well. So again, I just went ahead and made sure that I was taking in the same inches on both sides. You don't want to take in different inches. Your pants are going to look wonky, and making sure that the same inches on both sides. And now I'm basically just joining my lines together. Now this part is a little bit more curvy, so you also want to follow your previous curve, and you just want to measure that all the way to the bottom, just like we did before. So as you guys can see, I went back to make sure that my curve was nice and curvy, and just from a 0 point all the way to the bottom, just like we did before. And now we're gonna go to the sewing machine to sew this right up. So now where the sewing machine is, you guys can see, you pretty much just want to sew right there on the line that you've just created. And when you're sewing, you just want to push the fabric away from you, so this doesn't add any puckering, or it kind of doesn't make your pants uneven when you get to the end, because this actually has some kind of stretch in it. So you just want to make sure that everything is laying nice and flat. So when you have done that side, you basically want to repeat the same process for the other side as well. So now that we have everything all sewn up, it should look something like this. And most jeans actually have a chain stitch also at the side right here. So you just want to make sure to remove the chain stitch so it could open up that seam on that side. Now if you don't have a chain stitch, just remove the stitch in a regular way. It's still fine as well. Now that we have this, as you guys can see, this is quite a lot for me. So if you have a serger at home, you could serge this down. If you don't, just press this out nicely and just leave them in there. Depending on how much you're actually going to take in, it might be a lot of fabric left in the pants. So any way you want to finish that up is totally up to you. So now I went ahead and actually serged mine just to trim it down a little bit so it gives it a nicer finish, and I did that for both sides as well. So again, don't forget to also press your seams out really nicely so everything looks nice and crisp. So I have that all sewn up and it looks something like this. And if you actually compare it to the other pant leg, obviously it makes a whole lot of difference. So make sure to repeat the same process for your other pant leg as well. So as you guys can see, I have successfully completed both pant legs, looking nice and sharp. And now we're actually gonna finish up our hem. So I do have a video showing you guys how to finish up the hem, and I'm actually gonna shorten this hem because usually when you taper, you do have a lot of fullness, so you probably would end up shortening anyway. So I do have a video showing you how to take care of this hem. And if you don't want to shorten, you just fold your hem back right like you saw it before and top stitch that right away. So I went ahead and top stitched this on the sewing machine, and it looks something like this. You're pretty much done. So that is pretty much the end of this video. I really hope you guys learned quite a bit of stuff, picked up a couple of things here and there to go help you taper all those jeans, slacks, pants, anything in your closet. Taper them to whatever you want, to the trendy and the now thing that's going on with the skinny jeans, cigarette pants, everything. And now to the part you guys have been waiting for all day, all night. Yes, I am announcing the 3 winners of the SewAddicts competition. The 3 winners of the SewAddicts competition that took place 2 weeks ago. Thank you so much to everybody that participated. Like, this was freaking awesome. This was my first ever giveaway, and I actually got quite a bit of turnout, you know, when people show up for your event and stuff. This was kind of like that. So thank you so much to everybody that participated. If you didn't and you missed it, sorry, next time, I guess. And if you participated, thank you so much. If you didn't win, of course, I'm gonna be doing more giveaways, so you have more chances to win all these awesome prizes. But for the people that won, you guys are so lucky. Now I'm going to announce the 3rd prize. So are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? The 3rd prize is going to Nesrine Bouchenak. I'm not sure how to say that, but Nesrine, you are a proud owner of Crafted Like a Fox accessories tote bag. This is the third prize. Congratulations, Nesrine. I really hope you enjoy your prize. The second prize is going to Penelope Jimenez from Leesburg, Virginia. Congratulations to you out there, Penelope. You are the proud owner of a beginner sewing kit. It gives you all the things you can use to sew as a beginner. Congratulations, Penelope. And of course, the first prize, this is my fake drum roll. The first prize goes to a Maria Carroll from Campbellsville, Kentucky. I hope I said that right, but Maria Carroll, you are the first prize winner of the Sew Essentials mini sewing kit. Congratulations to all three awesome SewAddicts winners. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you everybody that signed on and entered and did all the things that I required of you guys. Thank you so much for doing those things. All three winners need to contact me on Instagram and send me a message at DamiAdenikeX so I could give you all the details and I could ship all these awesome items for you. Remember, make sure to contact me on Instagram. Send me a message at DamiAdenikeX to redeem your prizes so I can ship all these items to you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this video, the pants, the winners, how to get in my giveaway, or just anything you want to say to me, please scroll down and comment. I'm definitely reading those too. And I really want to see what you guys are making out there. If you're following any of my other videos or tutorials, if you're using my techniques, please tag me on Instagram at DamiAdenikeX. I'm curious about that too. And if you haven't already, I don't know what you're waiting for because the time is ticking. Click, click, click. I don't even have a watch, but I know the time is ticking. So hurry up over there and click the red subscribe button, that red button over there. Click that button to see more awesome videos from me. And I will catch all you SewAddicts next week. Bye.